Let's go back.
Yo my dudes, welcome back to the channel. So if you are new here and you are into automotive content, please do consider subscribing to the channel. And then if you haven't already checked out my new giveaway, I'm giving a 3-stage polish to one of you guys for free. I'll just leave some instructions on screen, as well as I have made an Instagram post as well. You guys can check that out, giving you guys instructions as to how you guys can enter for this 3-stage polish. However, for today what we have planned is to link up again at AK Auto Express and see some progress on the S2000. To my understanding, Carl has already dropped off the rear bumper and front bumper, and then he is also speaking in the lines of getting air cups. For you guys that do not know, it's like basically air suspension but more of a cup format like they usually use in the Lambos, etc. So to be like a lift system, that is something that you guys can maybe look forward to in future. And what I also need to do right now is I am in the process of making some WONG spec fenders for an EK. So I'm just going to go check up on that. A friend of mine is doing the welding. I already did the cutting, etc. And then Dent Expert will be doing the body work. So that is basically what we have planned for today. So let's bust the move. Okay guys, so there's a lot of in-between things that is being done to the S2000, so I can't really do time lapses. I'm going to try my best to maybe just give you guys some short cinematics of everything that they do, because I have to move in between two things. Like let's say for example, this section over here, there's some body filler fitted over here, but while it's drying, Fakir isn't busy on this side, as well as he's plastic welding the bumper over here. So as you guys can see, that is kind of the process. He's using the plastic of the bumper just to spread it out, and then just to make it a little bit stronger. He also said there is some glue that he's going to use to make it stick a little bit better as well. Okay guys, so as you've seen in the video, he basically grinded the bumper to make it rough. And he's going to use this glue. I just wanted to show you guys the center part of the glue. As you guys can see over there, there's two sections that push it out and it goes right through there. He just needs to use it as soon as possible because it actually dries out very easily. So Ashton actually says that this simulates the bumper's material. So it basically adds more bumper to the bumper, in other words. Okay guys, so this is the progress on the S2000. We mainly worked on alignment, etc. And obviously fixing up the bumper. So that is looking pretty good. All the lines are perfect actually. There is still more work that needs to be done. Let me just give you guys a full walk around. To my understanding, they worked on all the alignment on the car, like every line gap, even on the bootlet as well. Just see if I can show you guys this. So as you can see, the alignment is all correct. So once the alignment is all correct, that means that the car can then be ready for flat, I assume again. And front bumper needs to be primed, and then they can throw on color. And then also just wanted to show you guys, this is the headlights, the OEM headlights that will be going in the S2000. I think my friend Carl swapped this for his angel eyes for these. So these are still in good nick, and it's actually going to look cool, especially for the look he wants to go for. He wants to go for more OEM type of style. So yeah, that is an update on the S2000. And then there's also another car I wanted to show you guys. So this is a normal entry level Polo 8, I would say, but we're doing a conversion to it, making it like an R. So as you can see, there's these small wheels over here, and then these are the bigger wheels. Yo guys, I just arrived to AK Auto Express. I just wanted to show you guys what the Polo looks complete. So this is what the TSI Polo looks converted to an R-line. Like I mentioned, we supplied the lip as well as the whole R-line kit basically. So this is the lip over here, and then you have the canard set. I think the customer decided to not run with the canards on the side. And then moving to the side, you can see it has the R wheel, which is a little bit bigger than the normal. Also has the side skirt over here. We just need to add the R badge over there. This is what the rear looks like. It's the rear wing. It's also this silver piece or silver diffuser at the bottom. And then just moving to the side. So this is what the car looks like complete. Came out very good. So if you guys do have a TSI and you would maybe like to convert it to an R, I can supply you guys all the parts, as well as AK Auto Express can have it fitted for you as well. And then later in this video, I'll just show you guys there is the Mugen rear wing all sprayed up. Okay guys, so this is also the FN2 Mugen wing that I supply, and AK Auto Express sprays as well as does the fitment. What I also just got for this customer are these metal pieces that actually go into here, just to give it the complete look. So if you guys are interested in the Mugen wing as well as these badges, please make contact with me. Like I also mentioned, AK Auto Express does assist me with the fitment as well as spray work as well, so we can do that for you. So I think this customer is going to come on Monday to have it fitted, and then I'll just show you guys what it looks like onto the car as well. Okay guys, so this is a customer's Mugen wing that we fitted at AK Auto Express. So Ashton did the spray work as well as the fitting. I supplied him with a wing as well as these badges over here. I just want to give you guys a quick comparison with the wing he actually has on the car. So this is actually really a bad mold, I would say. Can you see it goes straight over here instead of it actually going in, and also has this piece over here on the mold that I have. So yeah, this is just to show you guys what it looks like on the car. Looks pretty good. Customer's very happy with it as well. And then let me just give you guys an update on the S2000. So this is the S2000's front bumper, and this is also the lip that I supplied. This is a CR lip. So the CR is mainly for the US market, to my understanding. It's basically the type, you would say like a type R version of an S2000. It has a wing and it has this lip on. I think it also comes in the 2.2, like I mentioned before. The US market has the AP2, which is 2.2, and then this is the rear bumper that we're busy with. We just made it a single exit because he obviously has a single exit exhaust, so we just flush this close over here. We also do have the old bumpers on that side as well, so he has the option of both, like me as well. We do have two different sets of bumpers. So yeah, this is just a quick update on the S2000 as well as the Mugen wing for the customer. Hello guys, so these are the fenders that I made. This is the original what I would call WONG spec fenders. So it is at Dent Expert, and this is also the car that it's going to be on. It's a friend of mine, Riza. So our keel parker at Dent Expert will be doing the spray work. Obviously there's certain things that still need to be done, like this hole needs to be closed, and there's certain things that also need to be done just to give it that actual WONG spec. But yeah, this is what the car is kind of looking like right now. I think this car will be sprayed in this week or next week, and I'll try to get a video for you guys of the end result. But yeah, this is the update on the WONG spec fenders. Yeah my dudes, so it is a few weeks since we did an update on the S2000. The car is actually sprayed, the doors are actually off, so I'll just climb out and show you guys what the car looks like. So this is what the car looks like, guys. The color that they went with is Santorini black, if I'm not mistaken. It is a color from Land Rover Vogue, I think the 2013 model. It looks pretty much the same, but if you come closer, I'll just shine a light over here. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of glitter in it. And then also the windscreen was also replaced. I think there was a cracking, so there is a fresh windscreen in. We managed to make use of the same rubber, so it's still OEM. Another few things that was done was we did remove the laminates from the headlights, so it looks a little bit more OEM. Let me just move around on the other side of the car. Obviously you can see there's no doors at all. We put everything back in the engine bay as well, radiator, etc. The induction pipe still needs to be put on as well. But thus far we never came through any bad encounters. Everything went as smooth as can be. Let me just show you guys what the bonnet looks like as well. The bonnet still needs to be flat and polished, so that's what the bonnet looks like. But yeah, as you guys know, before a final reveal, I like to just show you guys a quick glimpse or a teaser of what the car could possibly look like once it's done. So this is a teaser video up to where the car is going to be finished. So in the next video you guys will see the car assembled and ready. Another thing that I missed out is that we will be doing silver wheels as well. So the wheels will be sprayed silver, so the car will look completely different the next time you see it. And then we might just go to a nice location, take out the EG as well as the S2000, put them together and do another video or a video reveal. So yeah, hope you guys are excited as I am. If you guys did like this build series, yeah, so like I was saying, guys, if you are enjoying this build, please do give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you are looking forward to seeing this car fully built, fully resprayed and fully restored. Subscribe to the channel, put on your notification bell so you guys can be notified when the reveal video will be dropped. As well as I'll give you guys a little bit of a teaser, seeing that you stay to the end. This car will also be getting air cups, so we'll be going a little bit lower as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace. Yo guys, so before I actually do go to the S2000, I just made a turn here by Tano quickly. He is fitting a set of coilovers for an EK. I just popped in by him quickly and then I'm gonna go to the S2000 and then maybe show you guys when I come back. The coilover set will probably be in already. It is for this car over here. He's doing a few other things. I think he's doing a service, etc. Here's all of the other parts that he is replacing. Like as you can see here, this ball joint is totally screwed. I think he's replacing it with the camber kit. Let me just show you guys. This is also the coilovers, and then this is the camber kit. So as you guys are aware, we also supply the camber kit as well. So you can see it's like stuff over here as a camber setting, bushings. So this is actually very cool. Let's say for example, this is broken over here, the ball joints, etc. We can replace it with a full camber kit, which will obviously give you more adjustability as well. So yeah, I'm gonna leave right now while Tano basically puts the coilovers. He says it goes actually very quick. Okay guys, I just returned from collecting the parts. So this is what I got. These are original 180i and 180e badges. They're actually hard to get by. They're also OEM. So please let me know if you guys are interested in this.